All right, good morning, good morning. Happy Thursday. So let's jump into the pre-market prep. All right, so how is the mindset? How are we feeling today? Woke up at 7, feeling pretty mellow today. Woke up at 7, reviewed my trade from yesterday, and around 7:50, had to meditate. 8 o'clock, pretty much clock into work. Slept 6 hours. Really, really poor decision making last night, so not so happy with that. But went to sleep very, very late. It's been a good minute since I've gone to sleep this late, but um, was watching a show. No really excuse. It was just poor decision of mine. Woke up at 7, slept 6 hours. So otherwise, I'm feeling like a 3. But let's jump into the actual market itself. So let's start off with pretty much the overall market. What it's doing, what it's saying. So looking at SPY, we have this kind of like decent maybe change of direction, but currently, at 8:30, we had like a shift of direction per market session. We had what we had jobless claim at 8:30, and we also had PPI. So the market actually took that news in a positive way. So we're currently holding. We went from holding right near the low to holding right below, pretty much just high a day. So let's see what the market presents. We are been kind of like in this choppy area. So if you actually break yesterday, we could potentially see a nice push higher, but I don't see nothing crazy happening. But let's see what the market presents. Same thing with QQQ. QQQ is actually holding a little bit stronger. We're actually holding already above yesterday higher day. So let's start off with pretty much my watch list. So what I like, so as you can see, Amazon show relative strength compared to the world market, and we are making kind of not the best looking, but a bull flag on the daily, and we have all-time highs. So currently holding right below pretty much this pivot area. So it's very simple. If we could break this pivot area, I like it for a move to all-time highs, and potentially, if buyers are really strong, we could potentially see a move higher. One of the things I really like is actually the volume and pre-market session is really correlating with if this potential move that could happen today. I know I don't have the best track record with Amazon, but again, if the setup sets up, I am planning on taking and executing. The only thing I do want to be a little more cautious because I do know that my performance with Amazon is my track record with Amazon is not the best. But Amazon is kind of like my main watch for today, just because how it's setting up, volume per market session, how it's looking, how it's trading per market session. Like everything is looking pretty decent. Looking at Microsoft has been really, really choppy. But if you see the weekly, we have a really nice rally, base rally. So this is kind of like my the setup I'm looking for is actually this weekly bull flag. So I just want to get some additional confirmation. I want to see a weekly high for me to like it, and we are very close to that. So, but I just want us to break that for a move to all-time highs. If we could break that, I do like it for a move higher. I just want to wait for that confirmation. But as you can see on the 1 hour, very choppy, and on the daily as well, pretty choppy. So that's why I want to be a little bit more cautious and wait for actually clear confirmation. And we are giving it a very really big gap up. So let's see what percent. And then I have Nvidia. Nvidia just shows some relative strength compared to the over market yesterday. Yeah, I'm just pretty much looking for that continuation play today. So pretty simple. A hold of pretty much yesterday high a day, 2 days ago high a day, and this daily key level for a move higher. And we're currently holding around that area in pre-market session, so it's looking pretty interesting as well. But let's jump into the smaller time frame. So if you look at pretty much Amazon, as I said, the volume of pre-market session is pretty good, and we're currently holding right around this area. A pullback wouldn't look bad, but how it's holding, it might just go. So pretty simple, a hold of those levels for a move to all-time highs. So yeah, it's a very simple game plan. Again, not the best track record with Amazon, so I want to be cautious, but I do like to set up a lot. Microsoft, and because I like it that much, I am considering my pretty much Amazon to be pretty much a playbook, not playbook, but my main focus for the day. Amazon and Nvidia. Microsoft, the only way I like it, again, I want to get some additional confirmation. I want to wait for a break and hold above this weekly level for me to like it. So it looks like a nice bull flag on the weekly, but need to be patient, wait for clear confirmation. And then we have Nvidia. So Nvidia's, we showed some really nice strength yesterday. So just looking for that continuation play today. And yeah, it's looking pretty good. I like it above 875, so even a pullback to 875 wouldn't look bad. But if we could hold around those levels right off the open, looks pretty good. But again, the pullback to even 875 or even 874, which is just a high day, wouldn't look bad for a nice continuation play. So yeah, that's pretty much my game plan. Kept it short. I had a couple other stocks that I was eyeing before the news came out. And it was Apple and AMD if the news was negative, if we actually show weakness. But because everything shift and everything's showing strength, I do not want to focus on any stock to the downside. So that being said, those are my three main watch. I do want to be a bit cautious. I don't want to just rush this. I want to wait for clear confirmation. So that being said, that's pretty much the game plan for April 4th.